Today, our topic is investing about share market. So, the first question comes in our mind, should we invest in share market or not? So, we will discuss on this now. See, first, the concept share market and the investment in share market is very interesting. First of all, I will say this is a very good idea to invest in shares because it's very amazing way to grow wealth. But mind it, we are discussing about the long term investment in share market, not the short term investment which is called trading. We are only discussing here about the long term investment in share market and the benefits of that. Today we will discuss about the basic things on this. We will not go into the very much detail because this is the first video on this. Therefore, first I will say that if we start investing in share market, then what is the first question that comes in our mind? That is risk. But see, my friends, the word risk is very tricky word. In share market, we can avoid this risk if we are careful. If we are careful, then we can easily avoid risk, because this is the only thing that we have to maintain throughout this process. Now, what are the tips that we should maintain while investing in share market? Because we have to maintain some policy, some guidelines, otherwise we lose our hard earned money, right? So, what should I do for this? First of all, mind it, my friends, the first in the guidelines, first point we have to maintain, that is, don't listen to others' advice blindly. This is the first point you have to keep in mind. Don't listen to others' advice blindly. Instead, always go by your judgment. This is the first point you have to keep in mind. Then what? Then you have to make a market research of the companies that you are going to invest in. Then come the very vital point, that is what to buy and what to sell. But before that, how to buy and how to sell. And next, when to buy and when to sell. And then finding a reputed and reliable broker. And today you know that the online and offline both mode are available for finding a broker. And finally, you have to maintain and keep a track of your investment or portfolio. And mind it, my friends, here we are discussing about the long term investment in share market, not the short term, which is called trading. In the long term, this investment is really a beneficial mode of investment. No other financial instrument will give you such rate of return. So in the first session of discussion, we are just want to convey you that this is a very much good investment opportunity if you are interested in. And in the next session we will discuss in detail the technical part of this. So thank you for now.